But what about big objects in its path? The greatest ever pitted the D575A3 against a pickup truck.
Yeah, I think that's a pretty silly idea. That would definitely fall into the unapproved application format of a D575.
Bulldozers take advantage of their weight when dozing. As the heavier the machine, the more traction it has to push heavy loads. This superdozer weighs 150,000 kilos. And although it exerts only 26 kilos of ground pressure per square inch, its massive overall weight quickly and effortlessly turns the truck into roadkill. That's one way to measure the weight of this machine, but how about its power? We've seen how a superdozer can go over almost anything. But ever wondered how a mobile home would stand up to a pressing from a dozer? No, neither did we, until we were given not one, but two superdozers. This is about sheer brute force. That's 45 feet of trailer crushed by the combined 23,000 horsepower of two superdozers in a little less than 13 seconds.
I think the trailer crushed a little bit quicker than I thought it would. It was only a matter of seconds before it was gone. I think if you compare a D575 A-3-door Hurricane, the winner has to be the dozer.
These are the big guns. This is for the big leagues.